report. It was a weekend of thrillers and statement wins in the UAAP Season 88 Women's Volleyball Tournament and a breakthrough run on the international tennis stage. Far Eastern University showed true grit, outlasting defending champion National University in a 5-set classic yesterday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Love Lopez led the charge with 19 points, along with 25 excellent receptions and 14 digs, as FEU pulled off a 25-23, 25-23, 20-25, 21-25, 22-20 victory. The win pushed FEU into a tie for second place with NU, both holding 63 records.
Sabi nga po ni Coach Knowles na habaan lang yung pasensya kahit na, alam mo yun, yung nag-error ka na, pero patuloy pa rin. Wala sa mukha namin yung sisisihin yung kasama kasi nga nag-error. Pero nandun yung, ibabawi yung kasama kasi nga nag-error. Yun lang po.
The University of the Philippines snapped a 4-game skid with a dominant straight sets win over University of the East 25-21, 25-15, 25-14. Nina Itang led the Fighting Maroons after posting 14 points, 10 attacks, and 4 blocks. Last Saturday, the Lady Spikers fought back in 4 sets to defeat Adamson University 25-19, 17-25, 25-23, 25-23. Amy Provido delivered 18 points built on strong net defense, while Angel Canino sealed the win with 21 points. LaSalle now stands alone at the top with an 8-0 record.
Ipinaalala namin kanina ng first 3 sets. Yung laki namin nawalang bigla. Sabaga parang na disorganized, hindi naka-establish yung blocking nila. So thankful ng fourth set gumana.
Earlier, University of Santo Tomas extended its win streak to 3 after taking down Ateneo de Manila University in 4 sets, 21-25, 25-11, 25-22, 25-12. Angge Poyos continued her MVP caliber form, finishing with 25 points to power the Tigresses. On the international